gonna do yoga today. Yoga, yoga.
I want to have this.
What is that? Forklift. Okay, let's try forklift first. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a forklift. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be the last time. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Looks like a forklift. Okay, we're gonna try another one too right now. Oh, we're gonna try dig. Dig like an excavator.
Yeah.
Remember dig, Roa? How do you dig? Dig. Dig like an excavator. Dig like an excavator. Can you try, Roa? Dig like an excavator. There you go, Roa. Rohim, there you go. Dig. Can you dig really fast? Dig like this. Dig. Rohim keeps asking me to do the forklift. Forklift. Forklift.
1, 2.
Why don't we be a competitor? You lie down and roll around. Roll, 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 roll. We are compactors. Okay, let's spin around. Spin like a cement mixer.
Oh.
Let's spin.
Oh.
Oh, we're going to